Pointer. Hello everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel Pharmafuture. I am Krishna Nirmani, PG scholar of Department of Process Chemistry, Nagpur, Hyderabad. Today we will discuss a general pharmacology, that is general pharmacological principles by using a standard textbook of pharmacology, that is essential of medicinal pharmacology. Discuss a pharmacology party. Definition: Pharmacology is a science of drug, derived from Greek word pharmakons mean drug and logos means to discourse in or to study. Study of drug is called as pharmacology. In pharmacology, it deals with interaction of exogenously administered chemical molecule, that is drug, with living system. Means pharmacology it deals with interaction of drug molecule with living system, and it's surrounded by all aspect of knowledge about drug, but most importantly that which is relevant to effective and safe use for medical purposes. Oswald Skinny Debug, he is a father of pharmacology, and pharmacology is broadly divided into two divisions. First, pharmacokinetics, and second, pharmacodynamics. First, we will learn pharmacodynamics. Dynamics means power. In, in pharmacodynamics, we study what the drug does to the body. Means ड्रग हे बॉडीसोबत काय करतं आफ्टर ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन याची टोटल स्टडी आपण फार्माकोडायनॅमिक्समध्ये करतो. इट इन्क्लूड फिजियोलॉजिकल biochemical effect of drug and their mechanism action at organ system, subcellular or micromolecular level. For example, adrenaline, when it binds with their receptor, either alpha receptor or beta receptor, it leads into stimulation of adenylyl cyclase enzyme, which is bound to cell membrane and activated by G protein, which leads into increase the intracellular level of cyclase 3,5 adenosine monophosphate. By increase this level, finally result into this physiological response, that is cardiac stimulation, that is increased heart rate, hepatic glycogenolysis, this breakdown of glycogen into glucose. Means concentration of glucose is increases. If concentration of glucose is increases, which alternatively leads to hyperglycemia. Second division of pharmacology is pharmacokinetics. Kinetics also derived from Greek word kinesis means movement. The movement of drug in the body is called as pharmacokinetics. That is what the body does to the drug. Means body हे ड्रग सोबत काय करते आफ्टर ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. त्याची कंप्लीट स्टडी आपण फार्माकोकायनेटिक्स मध्ये करतो. इट इन्क्लूड movement of drug in and alteration of drug by the body. It include absorption, distribution, biotransformation, that is metabolism, and excretion of drug. For example, paracetamol is rapidly and almost completely absorbed orally and attain the peak blood level, means highest concentration of drug in plasma within 30 to 60 minutes. After that, paracetamol bound 25% to plasma protein and widely and mostly uniformly distributed in body. With volume of distribution is nearly 1 liter per kg. and paracetamol is metabolized in the liver by glucuronide and sulfate conjugation and finally converted into inactive metabolite. When in this inactive metabolite, which is excreted finally in urine and has a plasma half-life up to 2 to 3 hours and clearance value up to 5 ml per kg per minute from absorption, then distribution, and then metabolism and excretion of all this study will study in main heading, that is pharmacokinetics. After that we will discuss a definition, important definition in pharmacology. First, drug is from French word. Drug means a dry herb. Drug is the substance, product that is used or intended to be used, modify or expose a physiological system or pathological state for benefit for recipient, means benefit of patient. Second one, pharmacotherapeutics. It is an application of pharmacological information with knowledge of disease for prevention, mitigation, and cure of disease. Means pharmacotherapeutics हे ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ फार्मॅकोलॉजी आहे. त्यामध्ये फार्मॅकोलॉजिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड डिसीज नॉलेज याचं यूज करून आपण डिसीजचं प्रिव्हेन्शन, मिटिगेशन आणि क्युअर करू शकतो. देन क्लिनिकल फार्मॅकोलॉजी. Clinical pharmacology means it is scientific study of drug in man. It includes pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics investigation in healthy volunteer, in patient. Means evaluation of their efficacy, safety of drug, comparative trial with other form of treatment. This clinical pharmacology include clinical trial of drug molecules. Next one, chemotherapy. Chemotherapy means it is treatment of systemic infection. Infection disease which is occurs from microorganism or malignancy, that is cancer, with specific drug that have a selective toxicity for infectious organism or malignant cell with no minimal effect on host cell. मीन्स किमोथेरपी अशी ट्रीटमेंट आहे ज्यात आपण स्पेसिफिक ड्रग यूज करतो इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजसाठी, बट त्याची टॉक्सिसिटी हे ओनली फॉर डिसइन्फेक्शियस ऑर्गॅनिझम अँड मॅलिग्नन्सीसाठी जास्त असते. आणि हॉस्ट सेल मीन्स हॉस्ट सेलला त्याचा इफेक्ट काहीही नाही होत. Second one, pharmacy. Pharmacy, it is an art and science of compounding, dispensing of drug, or preparing suitable doses for administration of drug to man or animal. Next, toxicology. It is a study of poisonous effect of drug and other chemicals such as household chemical, environmental pollutant, industrial, agriculture, homicide with emphasis of detection, prevention, and treatment of poisoning. Second one, last one, orphan drug. Orphan drug, these are the drugs or biological product which is useful for diagnosis, treatment, prevention of rare disease or condition or common disease. When rare disease means these are diseases which are very limited or rare in specific part of world. For example, India, the sickle cell anemia and autoimmune disease. Generally, this type of patient generally present in India. So, if drug used for diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of that rare disease, the drug is called as rare drug or orphan drug.